national costume.
Yeah, guys, this doesn't mean to say that she's already the winner, even though she get all those, right? So you know. So don't assume. Yeah, but she's just one of the best who has all those categories, right?
Okay. I think we have to hold the suspense, right?
Yeah.
We are going to announce the second runner-up, the first runner-up, and finally the Binibining Kalayan. However, we're going to continue with our lottery!
Yay! So we're gonna get the rest, the ladies first. So we're gonna call you up again. So take a deep